In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use hotel Wi-Fi on Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Most standard Wi-Fi networks available on any hotels are going to be compatible with your Nintendo Switch, and there shouldn't be any need for setup. So all that you have to do to use the hotel Wi-Fi on your Nintendo Switch is, from the home screen, use the navigation bar and go into the system settings. When you go over to the system settings, you will be able to find the networks available in your region or in your area, and one of them should be the hotel Wi-Fi. Basically, it is extremely straightforward. As long as you go over to the system settings, access the network tab, you should find the specific hotel Wi-Fi in there. And all that you have to do is highlight the specific Wi-Fi network that you wish to connect into and confirm. Now, if it takes you to another page where you have to verify your identity or go through an additional process, this could mean that the Wi-Fi is not going to be compatible because the Switch has trouble displaying some web pages, and if the hotel requires you to verify your identity or log in to a certain website, then it might not work, and to my knowledge there isn't any workarounds to this. But any standard Wi-Fi connections or networks are going to work without any issues. You can connect and disconnect is necessary, and it is always going to be available. If the hotel Wi-Fi is not showing up or you are having trouble because it redirects you somewhere else, then what you can do instead is use any mobile device as a personal hotspot that you can connect into. It is going to be slow, however, it is the next best alternative if you really need to access Wi-Fi and the hotel Wi-Fi simply isn't cutting it or isn't working, but actually connecting it is extremely simple. I hope I was able to help you on how to use hotel Wi-Fi on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.